The Elizabeth Tower, previously known as Big Ben, is a famous landmark situated in London, England. Designed by architect Augustus Puget, it was completed in 1859 and stands at 315 feet (96 meters) tall. The tower is located at the northern end of the Palace of Westminster, which is home to the House of Commons and the House of Lords, the two primary governmental organizations in the country. The tower's ornate Gothic architecture and four-sided clock face, each measuring 23 feet (7 meters) in diameter, make it one of the most recognizable structures in London and a popular tourist attraction. The tower's clock is operated by a complex mechanism of gears and weights that keep accurate time, and its chimes can be heard throughout the city. The tower's bell, commonly known as Big Ben, weighs 13.7 tons and was named after Sir Benjamin Hall, who oversaw its installation in 1858. Over the years, the Elizabeth Tower has undergone numerous renovations and restorations to maintain its historical significance and structural integrity. The most recent restoration project was begun in 2017 and is expected to take several years, including cleaning the tower exterior, repair its stonework, and installing new modern amenities, such as an elevator and air conditioning to ensure tower's preservation for many years to come.